Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Typhur Sync Air Fryer to your phone. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Typhur Sync Air Fryer and are trying to connect it to their phone. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is plug in your Typhur Sync Air Fryer. Next, we're going to go ahead and power it on. And then afterwards, you're going to go ahead and download the Typhur app. So it looks like this here. And for this demonstration, we're going to be using an iPhone. But once you install the app, you're going to open it up and it's going to go ahead and look like this. And so once it looks like this, you're going to click on the plus icon on the top right hand corner. And afterwards, you're going to click on Typhur Sync Air Fryer, which is right over here. Now do make sure that your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi is turned on your mobile device. And afterwards, you're going to put it into pairing mode. So in order to do so, you need to press and hold the power button simultaneously for about 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator starts to blink. So right here is the power button. We're going to press and hold it for 3 seconds. And as you can see, there's a beep and then the Wi-Fi indicator starts to blink. We're going to click on My Device is Ready. And it should automatically find your Typhur Sync Air Fryer, so click on Pair. Now you do need to make sure that you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so select your Wi-Fi network and then enter your password. Then click on Connect and it should take a couple of seconds. And then afterwards, as you can see, we've now successfully connected to the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Typhur Sync Air Fryer to your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.